What's up guys? Welcome back to Experience Video, it's King again. In one of our previous video, we have unboxed and reviewed this WLtoys 12402 ARC monster truck. And I was reading about it again today, and I found that this car is actually waterproof and dustproof. And it says here it can drive as usual even in dusty or watery roads. And since today is raining, I figured that we might as well give it a test to see whether its ESC and electronics are actually waterproof. So now let's go to the test.